Let me close this off. I am going to be having a new file. So this is program number 6.py. So in this case, how do you get numeric quantity and this perform an addition, addition and display it. Now imagine this is a scenario. A user is making a bank deposit and the bank is paying 2% interest. Now the next thing is the total amount should reflect the interest plus the amount deposited by the user. So you got quite a bit happening here. Now let me start off here. So this is going to be user deposit. User deposit is equal to, I need to get the input. So input, please enter the amount you wish to deposit. So the amount is received. Now you just cannot take the amount like that. You got to typecast it. So I'm going to say int and then I'm going to close it. So this is how you convert the given string over here into an integer quantity. Now once that input is received, the interest has to be calculated. So interest calculator. So what is the interest calculator? The interest is 2%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the quantity by 0.02 times the user deposit. Okay, so this will give me that interest. Now the total amount is equal to the user's deposit plus the interest calculator, and it has to be displayed. So print, I'm going to place a pattern, say of 50 stars, and then I will display the amount. Print available deposit with interest, so that the user knows that the interest is added. Now when you display the numeric quantity, you got to place a comma and then you place the variable, and then again I want to display that pattern over here so that the user knows the transaction is complete. So you save it, go back to the file and open it in integrated terminal, enter the keyword Python and the file name. So clearly enter the amount deposited, 50,000. The user is depositing 50,000 and available amount or available quantity with interest is this. So this is how you calculate the interest. Interest is clearly calculated, right? So $1,000 is the amount given by the bank, and the user can draw out 51,000 whenever he or she needs it. So if he wants exclusively to learn of the interest deposited, then we need to set up a new query, right? So that is possible only when we move on to week 2, where we will learn about control.